Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Had some potatoes at home, so made this simple snack. Crisp outside, soft inside, and just right with a hot cup of tea. Nothing fancy but comforting in every bite. I washed and wiped 3 potatoes. Then peel the potatoes. Place the potatoes in a bowl of water. Slice the potatoes. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Rinse the potato slices 2 times with plain water. Place the potato slices on a cloth and pat dry. In a bowl, add 1 cup of sieved besan. Two tablespoons of sieved rice flour. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt, mix well. Add water as required and mix to form a smooth batter. The batter should be neither too thick nor too thin. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Place a kadai on medium flame, heat oil in it, dip the potato slices in the batter and deep fry. Sliced, dipped, fried, soft inside, golden, hot pakodas with chutney or chai. Aloo Pakoda isn't just a snack, it's a memory from rainy days, busy evenings, or simple family moments. If this reminded you of something warm and familiar, I'm glad. Thank you for spending a little time here. I'll be back with something comforting again. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.